question 39, which metal reacts with aqueous solution of acids but not with cold water? If I focus on acids, right, straight away I will cross out copper because copper is unreactive metal. Okay, it will not react with any acids. Then I will also cross out option C, potassium, because it is a group 1 metal. It is highly reactive. So it can react with both acids and water. So between calcium and zinc, the answer would be option D, zinc. Zinc, right, it does not react with water. So for the list of metals that do not react with water, right, aluminium onwards. So aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, copper, silver, gold. All this will not react. Okay, calcium will react with both acids as well as with water.